Citadel hosting a datathon, a competition for potential hedge fund talent here at the NYSE.
Ken Griffin's $30 billion Citadel gained 19.4% last year. This is beating out a whole host of other of its rivals.
Only a few people have ignored worthless activities in their youth and instead focused on the bigger picture. The ones who do are the ones who later on multiply their assets and become billionaires. One of these people is Kenneth C. Griffin, the self-made multi-billionaire and CEO of Citadel LLC, who started out from his dorm room and found success due to his right decisions. His story is truly inspirational. Griffin used his passion for finance to pave a pathway to unprecedented success. And here is his story. Despite the 2008 financial crisis, Citadel not only survived, but thrived. How? Stay with me till the end to know the answer and more of the life journey of this financial industry titan, so you can make the right decision in your personal financial journey. Let's begin the video. Early years and education. They say those who prosper in life show signs right from the beginning. This is exactly how Ken Griffin's childhood was. Ken Griffin's journey began in 1968 when he was born into a middle-class family in Daytona Beach, Florida. His father had worked multiple jobs and was a project manager at General Electric. His mother was a business owner and got an oil business, farms, and seed business in inheritance. You may be seeing now how Ken must have gotten inspired. He had parents who were already working, and this intrigued his young brain into learning more about how money works. Growing up, numbers and calculations became his friends. He showed an early aptitude for finance and often read books on economics and investing. As a teenager, Griffin exhibited exceptional academic prowess, excelling in mathematics and computer science. This paved the way for his admission to Harvard University in 1986, where he further honed his skills and passion for finance. In Harvard, Griffin wasn't just taking classes and giving exams. He immersed himself in the world of investment, soaking up knowledge from renowned professors and fellow students. Students can't conduct business activities from campus, but despite this ban, Griffin found a clever way to stay connected to the financial markets and pursue his passion for trading. He recognized the importance of real-time stock quotes in making informed investment decisions. To access this crucial information, he proposed an innovative solution, installing a satellite dish on the roof of Cabot House, one of Harvard's dormitories. This would enable him to receive live stock quotes directly to his computer, giving him a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of trading. Entrance into finance. Do you remember those long TV demonstrations selling items from electronics to home goods to fashion and beauty items? Home Shopping Network is one television network and online retailer that offers such products for sale. They allow viewers to purchase items directly through phone calls or online platforms. In 1986, at just 18 years of age, Griffin made a strategic investment in HSN by purchasing put options on the company's stock. Put options are financial contracts that give the holder the right to sell a specified amount of stock at a predetermined price within a set time frame. Griffin believed that HSN's stock price was poised to decline due to various factors such as market trends, company performance, and industry dynamics. And guess what? His foresight proved correct when HSN's stock price indeed began to drop. As the stock price fell below the predetermined price specified in the put options, Griffin used his options and sold the HSN stock at a higher price than the market value. This allowed him to realize a profit of $5,000. If you adjust that to inflation, that figure is today's $14,000. This tells you how important market analysis is. And if you keep track of trends and situations, you can predict what's coming and hopefully score big. Griffin also ventured out into the stock market and pulled $100,000 from contributions by his grandmother, dentist, and other supporters and approached Terrence J. O'Connor, the manager of convertible bonds at Merrill Lynch in Boston, to open a brokerage account for him. This initial capital served as the seed funding for what would soon become a remarkable investment journey. With the brokerage account established, Griffin wasted no time in launching his first hedge fund. Just days after celebrating his 19th birthday, Griffin's fund was officially launched with an initial investment pool totaling $265,000. This launch, timed with extraordinary precision, coincided with the infamous Black Monday of October 19, 1987, when global stock markets experienced a severe crash. While the event sent shockwaves through the financial world, Griffin saw an opportunity amidst the chaos. He used short positions, which bet on the decline of stock prices, and his fund capitalized on the market turmoil, profiting from the downward spiral of stock prices. This early success not only validated Griffin's investment instincts, but also established him as a rising star in the hedge fund industry. Griffin had already achieved so much even before graduating college that most people can only dream of within a lifetime. Founding Citadel. After graduating with an economics degree and lots of success to his name, Griffin started working with the founder of Glenwood Capital Investments, Frank Meyer. Meyer, having full confidence in Griffin, allotted him $1 million from Glenwood Capital for trading purposes. Griffin made a 70% profit that year. Tell me one thing. If you see a person gaining profit after profit in every step he takes, wouldn't you feel compelled to give some of your money and make you more? You would, right? This is how, in 1990, Griffin founded Citadel LLC, and with a $4.6 million investment from friends and family, he set out to establish a hedge fund that would leverage advanced technology and quantitative strategies to achieve extraordinary returns. One key factor in Citadel's success was Griffin's foresight in recognizing the potential of quantitative trading strategies. He assembled a team of talented mathematicians, computer scientists, and finance experts to develop algorithms capable of analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying profitable trading opportunities. Citadel saw huge growth and expansion in its initial years, and around the mid-1990s, the firm had established itself as a leader in quantitative trading, consistently delivering strong returns for its investors. Another major factor for its success was its relentless focus on risk management. Griffin implemented rigorous risk controls and monitoring systems to protect the firm's capital and minimize losses during periods of market turbulence. This disciplined approach to risk management earned Citadel a reputation for stability and resilience, even during times of market uncertainty. When other people were making money by building technologies like Bill Gates or selling cars like Elon Musk, Ken Griffin was using money to make money. He said, "Business is business. I don't manufacture cars, but we do manufacture money." And that's what he did. At the age of just 34, when people are still trying to figure out life, trying and failing at stuff, Griffin became a billionaire and had an estimated net worth of $650 million. In fact, this made him the youngest person on the Forbes 400 list. But soon, he will face a catastrophic time when so many people lost everything they had. Before we tell you about that, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more informative and interesting videos. Now back to the video. Navigating challenges. Those who know how the money market works know that not every day will end in profit. Some days you'll see the market crashing, and if you panic, everything that you've built will drown like it was never there. Such a time was when the 2008 financial crisis hit. That time was a nightmare for business owners and caused more than 300 banks to fail, including some big names like Lehman Brothers and Bear Stearns, and around 18 million small businesses to close in a matter of 2 years. This crisis also caused the stock market to plummet, and Americans lost $9.8 trillion in wealth. When everyone was in full panic mode, Ken Griffin and Citadel also faced similar challenges. But did they mirror that panic? No, they didn't. Instead of facing losses, they emerged stronger than ever. Let's have a look at how. The company was losing hundreds of thousands of dollars every week in the aftermath of the crisis and came dangerously near to a total collapse. Many experts thought it was a point of no return, but we're forgetting who's leading the firm. Ken Griffin has had tons of experience and knows exactly what steps will save him and his company from disaster. For a period of 10 months, Griffin barred his investors from withdrawing their invested money, which is basically decreasing day by day. Many critics said it wasn't a brave move. The firm was heavily leveraged, meaning it borrowed a lot of money to invest, with a ratio of 7-to-1. This high leverage amplified its losses. They say, if you don't realize the loss, it's not a loss yet. That's what saved Citadel and its investors. Citadel's biggest funds ended 2008 down 55%, reflecting the severity of the crisis. However, the firm rebounded strongly in 2009, generating a remarkable 62% return. Thanks to effective risk management, diversified options, and a strategic game plan, Citadel was able to earn Griffin $900 million in 2009 and an astounding $1.4 billion in 2014. This pattern continued later on. Today, Citadel stands as a top multinational hedge fund and financial services company with $58 billion in assets under management. As the value of Citadel LLC increased, so did Griffin's. Right now, Ken Griffin is the 38th richest man on the planet with a net worth of $36.4 billion, and he's only 55. He once said, "I want tension in my business. Tension creates change. Change is necessary to evolve and prosper. I am never satisfied." He knows how important it is to keep making waves, and this is how you attract success. Rise to prominence. Griffin's main reason for coming into prominence is, of course, Citadel. The company has been associated with various companies across different industries throughout its history and has leveraged its investment strategies to generate profits. One notable example is Citadel Securities, the market-making and trading arm of Citadel, which has emerged as a dominant player in providing liquidity across financial markets. Citadel Securities executes trades in equities, options, futures, and fixed income products, consistently ranking among the top market makers globally. In 2020, Citadel Securities reported revenue of approximately $6.7 billion, representing a significant portion of Citadel's overall earnings. Additionally, Citadel's investment in Melvin Capital Management, a hedge fund focused on long or short equity strategies, has garnered attention. In January 2021, Melvin Capital faced significant losses due to its short positions in certain stocks, prompting Citadel to provide financial support to stabilize the fund. Philanthropy and giving back. Having a net worth of billions of dollars makes one able to support a number of causes, and Ken Griffin is known for his philanthropy. He has donated around $500 million to Harvard University to support financial aid initiatives, including scholarships for low-income students. In the healthcare sector, he has donated at least $10 million to the University of Chicago to establish the Ken C. Griffin Department of Economics and Medicine, which focuses on interdisciplinary research at the intersection of economics and healthcare. He has also supported medical research institutions such as the Ann and Robert H. Lurie Children's Hospital of Chicago, contributing to advancements in pediatric healthcare. Griffin is a major benefactor of the arts, notably contributing $19 million to the Museum of Modern Art in 2007 in New York City to support its expansion project. He also made substantial donations to cultural institutions such as the Art Institute of Chicago and the Whitney Museum of American Art. Global impact and influence. As the founder and CEO of Citadel, one of the world's leading investment companies, Griffin played a pivotal role in shaping investment trends, market dynamics, and regulatory policies. But what can you learn from him? As a young entrepreneur, Ken Griffin learned as he grew, and that's what his life story teaches us. According to him, taking risks early in your career and committing to lifelong learning are keys to career success. His journey tells us that one should take that risk while you're young, because it will become harder to take risks over time, as your personal responsibilities will only increase with time. Another great lesson he has learned for young people is that you need to find people who take interest in you, push you to do your best. And you know what he calls failures? A tuition bill. That's all it really is. So what did you learn from his success story? Did you find the motivation to give everything your best? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching the video, everyone. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. See you next time.